Patience is one of the hardest things when it comes to trading. We sit, we wait, a lot of time passes, especially in the choppiness that we've seen in the market recently. Between January and what's now April, the market has just been chopping around sideways. What a lot of traders that have survived for a while have learned how to do is sit. Sit and wait. Don't trade that choppiness. That's what I've learned how to do. One of the things that's extremely challenging, and still is challenging for me to do, is that when we finally do see a couple of breakouts, start to see the indexes moving and breaking out, and a few stocks here and there, a few stocks on our watch list starting to break out as well. The challenging thing is to sit and wait, to not just dive right in and go for everything that's breaking out. What we want to do is trade like the cheetah. Cheetah's the fastest animal alive. But if you've seen any videos of how a cheetah stalks its prey, how it goes after a gazelle, it doesn't just go after the first one that runs by. It will sit and wait and let many gazelles pass. And then it will wait. And it will wait for the right time to strike. It will wait until a slower gazelle passes by, a weaker gazelle passes by, one that it knows that it has the best chance to succeed. And then it will go and get that gazelle and tear it to pieces. That's how we need to treat our portfolios. That's how we need to trade the stock market or the crypto market or the forex market or whatever trades, whatever we are trying to trade, that is how we need to treat it. Now, how do we do this? The way that I've learned how to do this is by having watch lists. So I will set up a watch list of everything that I'm interested in. And I'll have a specific watch list for those stocks or crypto or whatever it is that I'm interested in. I'll have a ready list. Those that are developing nice patterns, that are setting up nicely, that are giving me those nice and tight entries that I really enjoy. And then waiting for a couple of them to begin breaking out. And sometimes multiple will break out. That doesn't mean that we need to go after every single one of them at once. That was a trap that I used to fall into quite often for a very long time in my earlier trading journey. I would see many things breaking out, and how do I know which one to go for? Maybe I should try all of them. And so I would. And inevitably, what would end up happening is that the market itself still wasn't quite right, even though these setups themselves looked great. And so because most stocks follow the overall path of the market, the patterns ultimately failed. And so rather than losing out on just one trade, I end up losing out on 3 or 4 trades. And then that's how we end up stringing a longer string of losses together, and it makes it that much harder to compound. What we need is patience. What we need is to be able to be like the cheetah and let a few run off. We don't need to catch every single one. What we do need is to catch one. And that one trade, the one right trade, will more than pay for all those other missed trades, for all the other little losses that we've taken along the way. In 2017, I had about a 40% win rate. That doesn't sound too great, right? That means that I'm losing 6 out of every 10 trades. Yeah, that doesn't sound great. Well, why would I even want to, probably want to turn this channel off right now, right? Well, go follow somebody that has a 90% win rate. But win rate does not determine success in the market. Just like in baseball. So many Hall of Fame hitters are only batting about 300. Same deal in the market. It's not about how many hits we get. It's not about our winning percentage. It's about what we do with our winning percentage and how successful we're going to be. So with a 40% win rate in 2017, I was still able to generate a return of over 60%, more than tripling the return of the S&P 500 in 2017. The way that I was able to do that was by holding on to my winners and riding them for a very, very, very long time. Biggest winner of 2017, and still holding this one, is Adobe. Purchased back in January, did a video on this one, and I'm still holding it long after that video was even published. Still holding Adobe today, up over 100% at this point. So the point is that we need to be like the cheetah. It doesn't matter how many trades pass us. We want to focus on getting the right trade and then managing that trade in the right way. Do that through watch lists. Do that through patience. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it. If you have any questions on anything I said at all, please leave it down in the comment section below and I will personally help you. Also, if you like this video, click that thumbs up button. That's always going to help us out a lot. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that way you get every single update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care, and have a great day.